Hey everybody, this is Kirk and I am in Ulster County, New Paltz, New York. I just want to show you my shirt here that I got. An organization around here that actually makes opioid reduction boxes. There's 20 of them right now. Ulster County was second in the state next to Sullivan County with the highest amount of opioid overdoses. There's 20 boxes right now in New Paltz. Hopefully they will be adopting this in other towns in our area. The boxes carry Narcan, fentanyl, xylene test strips, and they are free to the public. Anybody that needs them or knows somebody that needs them, they are readily available. The only thing they ask is that you notify them via the QR code there that you did take something out of it. It is completely anonymous, and you know, I believe that things like this are going to really save lives. So I'm going to take a quick look inside. And there you go. There is the Narcan or naloxone. They have the instructions, and they do have some test strips in there. So I think a lot of these towns should start to adopt this and take it very seriously, because this does save lives. Thank you.